Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a hard wallet reset in your CryptoKara wallet. So you will do this in case you cannot open your CryptoKara wallet if it remain loading and yet not moving forward. So do a wallet reset. This usually happens when you integrate the new update from Google Play Store or from the App Store. So to resolve this bug, you need to do a hard wallet reset. So how are we going to do it? First, tap your CryptoKara wallet. Make sure that you already have a copy of your recovery phrase. All right. So what we're going to do when if ever you can still open your CryptoKara wallet, although it's lagging, make sure to get a copy of your recovery phrase. Okay. How to do that? You go to settings, and there's an option here. One of the tabs is backup wallet. You simply tap this one, and then you reveal by tapping the tab for press and hold to reveal tab. Tap that one, and you'll see your 12 words recovery phrase. Copy those words and keep it on a secure place. Type it or write it on a notebook and keep it, and do not ever give it to strangers. Okay, even the Eagle Network team admins themselves will never ask for it. Okay, so do not give it to anybody, to strangers, because that is the only way that your wallet account will be hacked. Okay, through that recovery phrase. And you also need it in case you will accidentally uninstalled the CryptoKara wallet app. Okay, for you to be able to get your wallet back, to access your wallet back, is through those 12 words. So keep them, write them on a notebook, and keep it in a secured place. Okay, so if you already have a copy of your wallet recovery phrase, so what you need to do is you go to your phone's settings, cell phone settings. Okay, go to your settings and look for the app management tab. Okay, go to app list and look for your CryptoKara app. Okay, scroll down and look for CryptoKara. Okay, tap it, and then you need to go to storage, and tap clear data. Okay, and then go back and uninstall your CryptoKara app. Okay, you want to uninstall CryptoKara. All right, and then you go to the Google Play Store and reinstall it. Okay. Okay, after installing, you open the app. Okay, tap skip, and then tap restore wallet, and tap import from seed. Now here guys, you need to type in your recovery phrase. Now in typing your recovery phrase, make sure that there is no space before the first word, and each word must be separated by a single space, and there must be no space after the last word. And also be careful with your spelling. Okay, and all all letters should be small case, no uppercase. Okay, so type in, and also you need to type the words from left going to the right. Do not hit enter. Okay, just keep on typing the word from left to right. Okay, so that's it. And then you hit import and wait for the app to complete the importing process. Okay, wait for it to load. Okay, so after importing, you refresh the app by simply dragging the screen downward. Okay, just drag. Okay, wallet imported. Drag the screen downward to refresh the app. Go to settings, and then scroll down. You need to have a backup copy of your wallet if you do not have a backup copy of it. So just tap this backup wallet tab. Okay, although you cannot see this on your screen, on the screen rather, but you can see this on your screen. So in this part, you will find there a button for revealing this recovery phrase. It says press and hold to reveal, so just tap that one to reveal your recovery phrase. And again, you need to copy those 12 words. Your recovery phrase should be kept in a secured location, all right, and do not ever share it to anybody, because that is the only way that your wallet will be hacked by hackers. So do not give it to anybody, even the admin Eagle Networks admin and staff will never ask you to give your recovery phrase, so keep it. Okay, and next is you scroll down under settings, you scroll down and tap reset wallet. Okay, just tap yes and tap skip, tap restore wallet, import from seed, and here you type in your recovery phrase. Now you need to keep this in mind. uh, there must be a single space after each word. Okay, and make sure that there is no space before the first word and a space after the last word. So make sure also that the spelling is correct of the words you are typing in. Okay, so and you type the words here from left to the right. Okay, so no, do not tap enter, just keep typing from left to the right until you are done typing the 12 words of your recovery phrase. So say for example here, this is the way you are going to do this. Type the first word, space, type the second word, space, type the third word, space, and so on until you are done typing the 12 words. Okay, and wait. Okay, when you are done typing the 12 words, you simply tap import. Okay, now tap import and wait until your wallet is imported. Okay, do not. All right, so there you go. That's it. I hope this one helps. So you see, the wallet is working well now after doing the hard reset. All right.